So we start off by asking you a little bit of personal information so that the hotel knows who it is that's going to arrive. And then we ask a couple of key questions that help us determine the kinds of hotels that you're going to be interested in. So I like deluxe hotels, and I normally travel with my wife. And the things that are important to me are Wi-Fi and non-smoking rooms. These are the 6 options that we've seen from our customer data are the most important things when you're booking a last-minute hotel. So once I've done that for the first time, I launch the app. From then on, whenever I launch the app, I immediately see the best option for me. So I can see that my first choice is a 93% match for my profile. Our customers have rated it 9.0 out of 10. It's wonderful. And here's the price for tonight. As I scroll down the page, then I start to see more about the hotel. So I can flip through photographs. I can read the description. I can see here it has Wi-Fi and it's free, which is great. And I can also see what other customers have said about the hotel. So this hotel has 1,324 reviews, and they're all written by people who we know have stayed at the hotel. So you have to have made a booking in order to write a review on Booking.com, which is quite different to a lot of our competitors. And then once you have made your decision, you get to the bottom of the page. It's from here that you can make a booking. So once I press this button, it's going to ask me if I'm sure, and then the booking is made. So it's a really straightforward one view. You scroll down, you make a booking, and that's it. So if I want to see other options, I just keep scrolling to the right. You notice that the percentage match goes down, but it may be that there's something about that hotel that's more interesting to you. And if you decide you want to stay somewhere else, you can pick the pin up, and I can move it. I can move it up here, and now it's going to show me hotels in that area as well. I can also decide that I want to stay somewhere else altogether. So let's say we want to go to London tonight, get a bit of nicer weather. So it's then going to do a search from the centre of London, and I can get really specific. I can search an address, I can search the name of a football stadium in my case, and then we can just look around and find the right thing. So it defaults to where you are and gives you stuff around you, but you can also use it to go somewhere else. And it uses all of the 600,000 properties we have on Booking.com show up in the application. Yeah.
And I'm assuming you can change the currency to your local currency.
Yeah, so we use the language and the currency from your phone.
Okay.
So if you have your phone set in Arabic with AED, then it will show up that way by default. And if you're going to stay at a hotel in a different country with a different currency, we'll also translate that into the local currency for you as well, so you know how much to pay in British pounds in this case.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.